Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase financial planning with American Express Company, detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase financial planning with the American Express Company, start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all relevant documents, such as income statements, expenses, debts, and assets. Use these documents to create a comprehensive financial overview. Next, explore the various financial products offered by American Express. Identify which products align with your financial goals, such as credit cards, savings accounts, or investment options. Consider the rewards and benefits associated with each financial product. Evaluate the fees and interest rates to ensure they fit within your budget. Once you have selected suitable products, apply for the ones that can enhance your financial planning. After acceptance, familiarize yourself with the features of each product. Utilize online tools and calculators provided by American Express to track your expenses and savings. Set measurable financial goals, such as saving for retirement or paying off debt. Regularly review your progress towards these goals and make adjustments as needed. Keep an eye on your credit score, as it plays a critical role in your financial health. Consider using American Express's financial education resources to improve your financial literacy. Engage with customer support for personalized advice tailored to your financial situation. Establish a routine to review and update your financial plan at least twice a year. Incorporate insights gained from your experiences with American Express into your future financial strategies. By leveraging American Express's resources and tools, you can effectively enhance your financial planning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.